me a little bit about what's going on here, Mason.
Boys out here blowing up something.
Oh, here it comes. Tylan Porath. Tylan, tell me a little bit about what we're doing here tonight.
We're about ready to blow up something with an AR-15. Should be pretty fun. NRA approved.
Got the gas can right here. And out here in Tylan's yard, Tylan's house over there. Out here in Tylan's yard. Got the light for it, and then we got the microwave. Inside the microwave, we have the propane tank, gasoline around here. It's gonna be good. Cragen pouring some final gas here.
Right there. Make sure you get the trail a little better. Alright, good. Good.
Alright.
Can over here.
He's gonna light it then, Tylan?
Hey! Hey, Colin, you gotta run too.
I will.
Alright, we're ready here? Yeah. We're about ready, boys. What you gotta do? Just like that. Alright. Hey, light it up! Ready? Go! Go!
Run!
Ready?
Look at the trail, look at that.
Well, boys, there goes that
Oh, the
microwave.
can.
Jeez.
Got a big blow, big problem, right, Tylan?
That's right. Hey, it feels kind of good out here, Cragen. What do you think about that explosion?
Toasty.
In the background. Hey, go over there.
Hey, I'm having the background town.
Yeah, hey, they gotta move back. And you
Guys,
guys stand over there.
Come here. Tyler, come here. We'll have it right behind us.
No, hey, we gotta be to the side of it. Look.
No, all right, we'll take it right here.
Hey, have it to the side. Hey, move back a little more.
Hey, no, come. This is just me and Tyler.
Whoa!
Can you get the fire?
Yeah.
That's a good way to get a microphone. Hey, next mission, we're getting the big one. Plenty of gas.
All right, when are we going to take this group photo?
Right now.
Oh, he's got a 22 in his
AR.
hands, and Cragen over here is shaking up some spray paint. We'll throw it in there. Got Ethan Clerc.
GoPro professional. We got the new Duex 5.3.
Hey,
It's fire.
It's not going anywhere.
I don't want it to away on me.
What are you, hot, Craig?
Oh, that's
So I'm setting my.
go get it! Go get it! Hey! Alright, you're good. Run away! Hey, we good? Go! Go! Hey, there's probably more in there.
Oh,
That was a good one.
that was just one can.